Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we have another ready to eat meal, and this one is from MOM. So MOM stands for Meal of the Movements. This is a company, MOM here, and the product that we have today for review is a Veg Biryani from MOM, which is Meal of the Movements. So we have the Veg Biryani here today from MOM, and let's start with the review of the product. Let's start off with the packaging of the product. It comes packaged like in a plastic wrapper here, paperish plastic wrapper here that we have here, and right on top here we can see it's a vegetarian branding given here, that it's a 100% vegetarian product. And here we have the name of the company of the brand, which is MOM, which is Meal of the Moments. And here is the product name, Veg Biryani. It states that it will be ready in 8 minutes, just add boiling water to it. There are no added preservatives, no artificial flavors in this biryani, and here's the illustration of the biryani, and on the illustration it looks very tempting and yummy to look at. I hope it comes out to be the same, but this is the illustration here because last time we tried the Tata Q and it wasn't as it looked like the illustration. The biryani was quite different from what was illustrated on the box. So let's hope the MOM Veg Biryani looks like the way it has been illustrated here. Moving on to the back side of the packaging, here we have the ingredients of the product. So let me run you all through the ingredients once. In this packet, what are the ingredients? The ingredients are rice, there are spices, there are condiments, there is edible vegetable oil, which is they have used soybean and rice bran oil. There is ghee in it, there's potato, there's carrot, onion, green peas, green pepper, tomato powder and garlic powder. There's an allergen warning given here. It may contain soy and dairy processed on machinery that also handles peanuts, other nuts and mustard. Contain natural and nature identical flavoring substances. Ingredients when prepared as per label direction. Caution, container and contains may be hot once prepared. Store in a cool, dry and hygienic place. Coming below are the nutritional facts. One serving of the MOM Veg Biryani packs in 301 kcals of energy, of calories in it. The total fat is 7 grams, of which saturated fat is 7 grams, trans fat is 0 grams, 0 cholesterol. Total carbohydrates you get is 50 grams, 2 grams of dietary fiber, there's no sugar in it, 0 added sugar. Proteins is 8 grams, vitamin D 1 mcg, calcium is 84 grams, iron is 5 milligrams, potassium is 137 milligrams. You can also buy this product online at mealofthemoment.com, so they have mentioned that here. The other things that are available from MOM are poha, veggie upma, idli sambar, dal chawal, kadhi chawal, Chinese fried rice, red Thai curry rice and more. So a lot of variations available. So if today I like the MOM Veg Biryani, I'm sure to go ahead and try other variations that are available in this ready to eat pack. So yeah, let's go ahead to see on the other side. They have mentioned the cooking instructions. So you just need to take a bowl, add 1 cup of biryani to it, and to that add 1 cup boiling water. Mix it well and then cover with the lid for 8 minutes. Now again after 8 minutes, mix it well and serve it. Okay, quite easy to make. Coming to the net weight of the product, it is, the net weight is 73 grams, and once rehydrated, once you add water, the final dish will be 220 grams. And this is priced at rupees 40, so the Veg Biryani is priced at rupees 40, which is quite affordable and reasonable. And moving ahead, what do we have here? Any other instruction? Nothing. There's batch number, there's best before, so the shelf life is 1 year. And it's a product of India, and they have given their Instagram handle, that is Meal of the Moment. If you want to follow them, you have to follow them on Instagram and Facebook at Meal of the Moment. So yeah, that's all the information given here. So let's look at what is there inside the package. So let's go ahead and open this packet up. So here we are going to open it up, and here it is. So I'm quickly. So it has a nice aroma. It feels like Maggi when you like take a smell out of it. Like you try to smell it, it smells like Maggi masala. So yeah, I'm gonna pour it out into a bowl right now that I have here. I have a bowl here, and I'm gonna pour out the biryani in it, and I'm gonna show you all how does it look. And then we'll go ahead and prepare it once I pour it out. So I've just emptied the packet, and it looks like a namkeen mix here right now. So if I look at it, it looks like a namkeen mix, but this is the biryani. So let's quickly, I'm going to show you all what all is there inside it. Remove the contents of the MOM Veg Biryani into a bowl, and it looks like a namkeen mix here. So here are pieces of potato here, there is green peas here, and dehydrated green peas, another piece of potato, a lot of bits of potato here. I can see onion inside, and the rice looks like they're shaved, so I can't wait to like add boiling water to this and see how it looks. So it looks very appetizing. The smell is very appetizing. At first the smell felt like Maggi masala, but let's see how it goes. So let's go ahead and take a cup of boiling water and add to this biryani. So guys, this is the biryani, and now we are going to add to this 1 cup of hot boiling water. And let's add the water right now. And once we add the water, we'll have to give it a stir. So let's give it a stir for everything once. And now, after stirring it, we are just going to quickly cover it up and let it be there for 8 minutes. And let it cook on the steam, let it get rehydrated once. So all the ingredients are dehydrated, and now we are going to rehydrate it by adding water to it, and we are going to let it be there for 8 minutes. So we have covered it with a lid, and we are going to let it sit there for 8 minutes right now. And after 8 minutes, we just need to give it a stir again and then check it once. So let the 8 minutes run out on this. 8 minutes are up, and now let's open the lid and see how does the biryani look. So here it goes. It has a nice aroma to it, and all the water seems to have dried out. It has very little water still there. Little bit of water is still there. We'll just give it a bit of a shake so that the rice gets a bit fluffy. And overall, the look of the biryani is nice. I like the way the biryani looks, at least. And can't wait to taste it right now. So you can see that there are bits of potatoes, there is green peas in it, there are carrot bits in it, and the overall smell of the spices is more like that of Maggi masala. So let's go ahead and do a taste test for the biryani. So overall, look wise, I would rate it 4 out of 5. As per the looks of the biryani, it looks quite neat and nice. Like we had tried the Tata biryani, the Tata Q chicken biryani, but it didn't look so appealing. This biryani definitely looks appealing right now, and we can surely give it a try. I'll be doing a taste test right now, so let's go ahead to the taste test. So guys, now we are going to do the taste test of the MOM Veg Biryani, and here it goes. So this is, I've taken a spoonful of the biryani. There is a pea, there are pieces of potato and everything. So everything, all the ingredients I'm going to try right now in this bite. So here it goes. Overall taste is nice. I like the taste of it. It's quite spicy and nice. It has a very nice aroma to it. The taste is nice. The rice is cooked well. The peas are cooked. The potato is cooked. So no complaints about mom's biryani. It's quite good, and it is definitely a go for ready to meal that you should definitely try. So this was my review about the ready to eat meal from mom, which is the veg biryani from mom meal of the moments. I would rate it a 5 on 5 ready to meal. This is like a perfect veg biryani which has come out in under 8 minutes. So mom veg biryani is a good to go ready to meal. If you haven't tried it, you should definitely go ahead and try it. So guys, I'll rate it a 5 on 5. If you all have tried the mom's biryani, do let me know how was your experience with it in the comment section below. And if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing food item reviews.